So now we are in the third part of the tutorial. Here we'll understand what are these features for. If we want to understand in terms of density per cell the importance of each cell depicted here in this map, we can activate the density criteria, and then we immediately see sorted in terms of importance the cells which correspond to the 10 most important points that we can use to manage on a later stage. Again, if we go with a cursor, with a mouse, around these cells, above here in the RPC, we can have the representatives of these, the coordinates of these central points, which are the representative points. So these are the points that correspond to the geometrical mean of this cloud of dispersed points. And here you can see the standard deviation of the same cell, both in X and Y scales. For instance, here we have a specific amount for the standard deviation, here a different one, here a smaller one. You can also see that the representative factor displays the quality of the area in terms of dispersion or concentration of the points. So the smaller the area it is, in terms of dispersion, the smaller is the the quality factor, and the better is the quality. We can also assess the time spent per cell. Here in this case we see that in different areas we have a different number for the categories. This means that this is the first or the most important cell or point, representative point, both for density and for time spent in this area. But if we consider, for instance, this one, we see that this is the fourth most important cell as regards to the time spent, and only the fifth with regards to the density of the points. We can also have a similar analysis in terms of consumption. This one is still valid as the most representative cell or representative point of the whole set, and we can see that above in this area are more black points which correspond to most or to more fuel spent, which is of course aligned to the fact that the axis, the y-axis or the vertical axis, displays the amount of fuel which was spent per hub. And that's it for the third tutorial.